Welcome back to Quiz Titans. Are you ready for today's exciting challenge? Today, we're diving into the world of K-pop Demon Hunters with the Guess the Character by Emoji quiz. You'll have 15 questions and 10 seconds to answer each one. Please subscribe, like, and comment for more amazing content like this. Can you guess the K-pop Demon Hunters character by the emoji? That's right, it's Mira. Can you guess the character from the emoji? That's right, it's Rumi.
To a million pieces, and I can't go back, but now I'm seeing all the beauty in the.
Can you identify the character using only the emojis? Correct, the answer is Abby. Remember all the character. Can you guess Mira position? That's right, Mira is in the 6th position. Can you solve this K-pop Demon Hunters emoji puzzle? The correct answer is Demon Gina.
Crumbling crown, will he let the fire go out?
Can you rate this song? Can you crack the emoji clue? Spot on, that's Gui Ma.
My little soda pop. That's catchy. Surprisingly, your plan is working.
I know.
One of the hunters.
Can you guess the emoji before time runs out? Exactly, it's Zoe.
Both sides, but I couldn't find my own place.
Would you rather choose Mira or Zoe? Can you crack the emoji clue? Exactly, it's romance. Can you figure out who this is from the emojis? Great guess, it's Saja Boys.
Preaching to the choir. Can I get the mic a little high?
Can you guess the character from the emoji? That's right, it's Bobby.
Look alive. All right, looking good over there. Okay, ready? Ready. But where are the girls?
Bye,
What?
bitch.
What?
Can you identify the character using only the emojis? Correct. The answer is Dr. Han.
Sit. You need no introduction. So, a problem with your voice.
Can you figure out who this is from the emojis? You got it. It's Pilot.
The only ones dying tonight are your... I said, the only ones dying tonight are your...
Can you guess the emoji before time runs out? Amazing. That's mystery.
No, not tonight.
Thanks for watching. Tell us in the comments what challenge you'd like to see next.